Hey everybody, it's Allison here, just hanging out with my seeds today. But I wanted to talk about a challenge I'm going to do this year. It's called the Single Seed Challenge. And if you want a really clear explanation of what that is, head over to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. He has a great video, explains it very well. He's done it for a couple years, but basically what the challenge is to build appreciation for the garden. And we are going to pick a seed and follow the one seed from planting, putting it out in the garden, and harvesting in the entire life cycle of the plant. And this really speaks to my soul because every single year that spring comes and I'm outside and the birds are singing and the smell of the dirt and the idea that this tiny little seed is going to grow in to not only a plant, but a plant that's either a beautiful flower that helps bees and birds, or a vegetable that will nourish me and my family. It's a miracle that never gets old for me. So I love the idea of following the one seed from the beginning to the end of its journey. And the idea too is that since you only have one thing, instead of like an entire bed of onion or potato, you only have the one plant, that you'll baby it, you'll nurture it, and you'll appreciate it more. So I thought a long time about what I was gonna do, and I decided on this new tomato from Baker Creek, Black Strawberry. So I'm not a huge fan of cherry tomatoes, so I'm not going to have anything else besides this one and one other experimental one. But or maybe I won't even do that, but we'll see. But this is new to them. This is a 2022 release. So I've never grown it, and it's never been for sale. So I'm really excited. They're absolutely beautiful. Look at that. And they are 1 ounce fruit, so a little bit bigger than a cherry. But it's supposed to be great. So here's my pick. So everybody join in the challenge. And the second idea about the challenge is, if you are on a platform like YouTube or Instagram, to post the progress so that you can share the idea with everyone else and build a culture of gardening and appreciation for the world around us. So go ahead and join the challenge and tag your videos with the hashtag so that we can all follow along in your journey. I'm so excited to see what other people are picking. I know for me, it took a couple days to even pick the one that I wanted to try. So yeah, make sure we can follow your progress and comment below. Appreciate you guys.